Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily add custom cloud shapes to PDF documents in Foxit PDF Editor. Let's begin. First, open up Foxit, then click on File, just create a new blank PDF. From here, click Comment, Drawing, and then you will now have the option to select Cloud. So over here, you can now start drawing the cloud, right? So can actually do this. Okay. And then I'm going to click for another point and then over here. Okay. This will just be for a sample. I can now right click and complete drawing markup or cancel this. So you will now, or you can now easily change colors. We have green, orange. I would like to have it purple. All right. And then you can reduce the opacity or increase it to 100. And you also have other options in here. For example, I have the width, or you can easily change how it looks. All right, just make sure to experiment. And once you're satisfied, just go ahead and draw another one as you wish. So, all right, just going to show you that you can easily cancel this. Going to download, or what I mean is I'm going to draw another shape, which is much more bigger. And you can even do like some complex stuff with it, right? And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Make sure to hit save changes and you are done with making up clouds in your PDF documents. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.